Kathy actually introduced yoga to me. She joined a yoga studio 3 weeks before I did, and I started seeing that she was getting some results only after about 3 weeks. So I started to do it, and with me it probably took about 6 weeks. Started losing weight, my muscles started getting stronger, but probably what was most important was I started seeing a change internally.
Jim and I want to be first and foremost of service to the students. It's really all about them, people of all ages, all different levels, where they can come in here and feel comfortable.
We feel that we're very different because we've taken a different approach. We feel that we have a strong emphasis on community and education.
I want to create a place that's open, that promotes community, where people come in here and they might feel disconnected, but they leave feeling better about themselves. And the most important thing is to lead from your heart. If you lead from your heart, everything else will follow. That's the way I approach all the classes.
Our mission is to continue to grow, to get the word out that you don't have to go downtown to find good yoga. It's right down here in downtown Arlington Heights.